Hello dear traders, you are watching the weekly Linkup on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. In our weekly program, we discuss the ongoing situation on Forex and try to forecast further moves of popular trading instruments. Technical analyst Petr Jakimovic gives us his expert advice. This week has been loaded with crucial events. A few global central banks held policy meeting. On Wednesday, the Federal Open Market Committee announced its decision to raise the funds rate by 25 base points. Besides, the Fed's officials dropped a hint that further tightening will follow. The markets grasped the hawkish stance and are now betting on the nearest rate hike at the meeting in September. This scenario eventually revived investors' interest in the US currency. Hi Petr, from your viewpoint, how long will sellers of the euro-dollar pair dominate in the market?
Hello dear traders. I'm expecting a lower price on the euro versus US dollar. According to the 4-hour time frame, I found a broken rising wedge formation. This is a very solid formation where the price where the buyers are losing power, we call that in technical analysis the wedging, and the price broke the key upward trend line of that rising wedge, and this confirmed technical sell point and bearish view on this currency pair. There is also a RSI, a foreign period divergence there, very strong hidden bearish divergence there. So this is another technical sign of the weakness on this currency pair. So my advice is absolutely to watch for selling opportunities. The first target is at the price of 1.1075. This is the projection for this a broken rising wedge. But if the price continue lower and the price breaks the 1.1075, the second target will be set at the price of 1.0950. So again, due to the broken rising wedge and the hidden bearish divergence on the RSI oscillator, watch for selling opportunities with the first target at 1.1075.
Petr, do you expect the pound bears to resume their activity following the euro bears?
I'm expecting bearish British pound versus US dollar. The similar like on euro versus US dollar, we got a good, let's say, the bearish formation, and this time the British pound got a head and shoulders formation, one of the strongest one of the strongest topping formation in the technical analysis, and there is also RSI divergence as well for in period on the oscillator. So there is a technical good technical signs of the bearish view on this currency pair, and that head and shoulders formation is actually confirmed. And we got a breakout of the neckline, and the projected target is set at the price of 1.2510. Again, head and shoulders formation, broken neckline, RSI divergence, and this is a technical sell and technical bearish view, and with the first target 1.2510.
Do you foresee the scenario of further dollar's growth against the Japanese yen?
According to the 4-hour time frame, I found a falling wedge on the USD-Japanese yen, and this is a very good sign for potential for uprise. So watch for a breakout of this, let's say, supply trend line. That is the upper diagonal of this falling wedge, and there is also RSI bullish divergence in the background. So I'm expecting higher price on the Japanese yen, and the price can go even to retest 114.30, which is the swing high from previous few days. So falling wedge, sellers losing the power, and this what this falling wedge actually is all about, so that we see that contraction in the momentum, and sellers losing the power, breakout of this falling wedge or this supply trend line will confirm upward movement and technical buy signal, with again watch for a target at 114.30.
Judging by your comments, the US dollar is set to strengthen across the board. Do you predict the greenback strength even against the Aussie dollar?
On the Australian dollar, US dollar, I found a broadening wedge. This is a different type of wedge, formation, and this is a broadening wedge in creation. So I watched the 4-hour time frame to find to see what's going on, if there any pattern. I found a broadening wedge in creation. My advice actually to watch for selling opportunities. The first target is at the price of 0.7410, and the price breaks below this level. The second target will be set at 0.7335. So watch for selling opportunities on the Australian dollar versus US dollar.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations. See you next Friday. You have watched the weekly link up on ИнстаФорекс TV channel presented by me, Tahmina Salomova, and ИнстаФорекс technical analyst from Serbia, Petar Ikimovic. Trade at a profit with us. Don't miss our next edition.